Hi, I'm Miles, and today I'm going to be going over the measles pandemic. Where it all started. It was found in 1757 by Scottish physicist Francis Home. He described how the pathogen is very infectious, especially in the blood. The scientific name for the measles is the Measles Virus. It was finally considered a pandemic in 1912, Boston, Massachusetts. Map of the measles spread. The pandemic started in 1912 in America, in Boston, Massachusetts. There was about 6,000 deaths a year back then. Later in the 50s, there was another major measles outbreak across the globe, and the main cases were in Africa, North America, and South America. Later in the 60s, there was a big decrease in North America, then the same results for South America and South Africa. Finally, to the 70s to present day, the cases have decreased a lot, except for in Africa, specifically the southern part of Africa. What causes the spread? It spreads from a cough, sneeze, or anything that has to do with your respiratory system. It can also be transmitted through touch. The pathogen can stay on surfaces for up to 2 hours. Scientists say that if you are anywhere near the measles or someone with the measles and you do not have the vaccine, there is a 90% chance you will get it. How to treat it. If you have gotten the measles, how to control the measles is you should isolate yourself from other people, stay warm, disinfect every surface often, and wear a mask when around other people. Vaccines. There actually is a vaccine for the measles. It is called the MMR vaccine. It treats mumps, measles, and rubella viruses. The vaccine, it stops 99% of all measles production rate. But it is also very expensive in some countries. What agencies are involved with the measles virus? The WHO, the CDC, the NCBI, and the NPR. The WHO are involved with trying to keep everyone informed with health, and they're also trying to get 1 billion people health insurance by the end of this year. Next up, the CDC. They research every medical condition and inform people across the world with hard cold facts. The NCBI, the database for all the research conducted for all biotechnology. Lastly, the NPR. They share and spread all the data and facts throughout the world about the measles virus or any other virus. $1 million. If I was granted $1 million, I would try my best to work on making a better and cheaper vaccine for the measles. People in Africa will need it because the majority of the country is more on the poor spectrum of the economy. And also, it would be a better, less expensive vaccine that could save many, many lives. Thank you for all your time. These are my resources, and goodbye.